one by one, arise and leave their My dear Consider, you are now dead. You will never forget or regret what you did. Always learn together.
Ito. Yung handa.
When thousands of novels search about their song, it has an unseen
Wait, may mango.
like a flash of lightning, nakalayo, deep into the forest. Oh, Datos, I regret to put an end to this rejoicing, but new perils threatens us. Foreign visitors are sweeping enemies down upon us, go down and gaze upon the scene of field. To my gladness, I recognize the Binta of Moscow. The hated name sent all the people in a panic. Down toward the river's mouth, and there be now the sea, also on the distance, swiftly drawing near the shore. To every battle, heard hope and armed himself for war. When Prince Bantugan heard the call to arms, his wrath began to rise. He calmly tied his sharp campilan tightly to his head, and seated on his shield. And when he saw the countless princess coming, raised his eyes and called upon his friend.
Oh my Magaw, conquerors from heaven, and the other Diwata dwelling in the clouds. If you forbid the sun, it does not rise. So, what powerful spirits, I summon you to help me now and do what I command.
Then lifted by the spirit, Prince Bantuga, shouting like the voice of thunder, leaped into the clouds upon his magic shield, that the enemy on hearing him above their heads, and that dread rattle of his sharp campilan turned themselves in frightened flight. And splashed the seas with frantic oars, but also lay for on their backs.
Oh my God.
The enemy on hearing him above their heads, and that dread rattle of his
Omni-flash.
sharp campilan turned themselves in frightened flight and splashed the seas.
Hindi ekos lang
Omni Lahat yan mamamatay.
Kabila.
Oo nga, Omni Slash. Battlefield yun eh. Katanga mo naman.
Ganun galang mo. Sarap siyang ganun.
Eh di Blade of Fury. Iikot-ikot.
Hindi naman siya umiikot.
Until at last, Bantugan's iron arm
Ekos lang yun. Wow! Linagarit ako. Nag-look mo.
Pakanan, Gumanas, and 100 others died, all encircled him and tried to tie his weary arms.
Wala si Samantha. Jaya.
Bantugan stumbled and fell helpless when they came to the mountain.
Lapit na.
The two young men
Pre, hawakan mo nga. Ikaw mag-video, no?
They locked the door and then exited. Then King Muskuyo sent upon the deck and gazed about me, for all the sea was strewn with dead and gazing close to me.
Ano ba yan, Mari?
Talaga.
Tatagal. Tagal lang eh.
Scarcely moved there or they were so tired, they had not stopped to rest 5 days and nights.
Wow.
At last, the shattered fleet arrived at Kadalayan Center. Peacefully, the fighters disembarked after the fatigue they could not sleep, and dragged themselves toward their home city, and left Bantugan lying in the mud. With only young men there to guide the road, at length the prince arose and with one blow of his pampilan break the door. When the spirit sent away with sword, of his pampilan break the door.
Biglang
And all other boats, and all the sea. The brave warriors who had left their boats were quickly told that this Bantugan had escaped, and turned up to the sea. Her name is Kuyao told his lieutenant, leading for his father with all the young men, cheering for Bantugan.
batugan, batugan.
Then living him in beautiful Bumbaran. 5 days they sailed until they came to Babalay and Noman, where Bantugan went at once to first the fair Baginar, at whose home he stayed attended the business. Where he took his second wife, the and 5 days later came to Bayan where he was again. But Mary Princess Minoy.
Lakas yung magsagwa na. Kamay pa. Bayan, babaero. Tigi-isa sila, oh. Ate Dayan, tigi-isa sila.
Panginawan, and they sailed again. And 5 days later reached the land between two seas. But he was for his bride. And after 5 days they returned to Sulawan, Aragón, where he took full
Ang tibay ni Janelle. Ang tibay na magsagwa na.
and stayed a day and acclimated at sea and loved Princess Mary and ordered of the king. The sea hall of Victoria grandmother is spread around the world in all the nations wide of the world.
Hindi na makayanan ni Janelle.
And all the daughters started off holding their celebrations. By meeting for the king another. Bantugan was surprised as he approached Bumbaran to see no boats or people on the shore. Although he feared intently anywhere to learn what constitutes person of the town. At last, he was served Malalan, the brother of Namayang, and surrounded by people. Because he recognized the hated people of Israel with Bantugan. As he is
Ala, kasama naman. Wow.
Damn you trouble come to our Bumbaran.
No, we have no any trouble, but we are near deserted for the robbers.
10 minutes.
All night of find you and escort you home.
have all lovely princesses entered the room without another word and rode away to tell the people in the place when the king had heard the prince was coming. Bringing nearly every lovely princess in the world, the old man showed bewildered, turned around and around and trying to think of something to say. And he moved in his brothers all together and helped him. On the beach they ran and smothered the pieces until
Eat!
Magaling ang territory.
Ay! Ni, biglang pumasok pa. Ba't may drummer dyan? Dalo!